Here are some tips to consider when building a tiny house with a dimension around 191.86 square feet. And the first step is about design and planning. You have to define your needs, determine how you will use your tiny house and what features are essential, and then choose a trailer. Select a suitable trailer for your tiny house, considering size, weight, and budget. And then you have to design for functionality, optimize your layout for efficient use of space. And then you have to consider about the climate. Design your tiny house to withstand local weather condition. Okay, and then the second step is about construction. Use sustainable materials. Choose eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, and low VOC paints. And then you have to insulate thoroughly and ensure proper insulation to maintain a comfortable temperature. Okay, then you have to install efficient system. You have to choose energy efficient appliance, lighting, and plumbing fixture. Then you have to build for durability. Construct your tiny house to withstand harsh weather and last for years. And then for the third step, you have to set the space saving strategies. Um, about the multifunctional space, you have to design areas that serve multiple purpose like a sofa, bed, or storage ottoman. Then about the vertical storage, you have to maximize storage capacity with wall-mounted shelves, hooks, and cabinets. Then about the compact appliance, you have to select smaller appliances such as a mini fridge and microwave ovens. And then about the hidden storage, you have to incorporate hidden storage compartment like underbed storage or secret drawers. Okay, then for the fourth step, it's about budgeting and financing. About the setup budget, you have to establish a realistic budget and stick to it. Then you have to consider about financing option. You have to explore financing options such as personal loans or crowdfunding. Then about the prioritize needs over wants, you have to focus on essential features and compromise on non-essential items. Then you have to shop for materials wisely. You have to compare price, look for discounts, and consider second-hand materials. Okay, then for the fifth step, it's about safety and regulation. You have to research local building codes. Then you have to familiarize yourself with local building regulation and zoning laws. Then you have to ensure electrical and plumbing safety. It's about a higher license professional for electrical and plumbing work. Then you have to install safety features. It's like incorporate safety features such as smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and emergency exits. Okay, then you have to obtain necessary permits. You have to secure required permits before commencing construction. Okay, well, now for the sixth step is about final tips. Okay, you have to be flexible, be prepared to adapt to unexpected challenge and change during the construction and occupying your tiny house. Then you have to seek professional help. You have to consult expert when needed. And about it, you have to, especially for complex tasks like electrical or plumbing work, then you have to take your time. It's about don't rush the building process, prioritize quality over than speed. Okay, then you have to enjoy the journey. Building a tiny house can be a rewarding experience, so enjoy the process and learn from it. Okay, then this is about the additional tips. uh, you have to consider these following tips. Okay, tiny house kits. You have to explore pre-made tiny house kits or prefabricated option for a streamlined process. Then it's about the DIY versus professional build. It's about weigh the pros and cons of building your tiny house yourself versus hiring a professional. Then resale value. You have to consider the potential resale value of your tiny house and design accordingly. Then it's about off-grid capabilities. If desired, Incorporate off-grid features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and composting toilets. Okay, remember, building a tiny house requires careful planning, creativity, and flexibility, and stay organized and don't hesitate to seek help when needed.